A very good morning, students. Today we are going to study properties of ethanol. Ethanol, as you know by now, formula is C2H5OH. I'll start with the physical properties. First property, it is that pure ethanol is a colorless liquid. It has a specific smell and a burning taste. अगर जीप पे आप इथेनॉल रखते हैं तो it gives a very peculiar burning taste. It is a liquid at room temperature. Most important physical property, its boiling point is 351 Kelvin and melting point is 156 Kelvin. It is soluble in water, that is, it is miscible with water in all proportions. Now, because it is miscible in water in all proportion, it is used in many industries. So, one by one, let us understand the uses. First thing is the people consume alcohol as it tends to slow their metabolic processes and depress the central nervous system, making them feel relaxed for some time. But it creates problem like lack of judgment and muscular coordination, etc. Now, if I talk about methanol, which is the homologue of ethanol, then it is lethal even in small quantities. Now, because people consume ethanol, which they should not be doing, nowadays what they do, they either add some dye or they add methanol to it. If they add methanol to ethanol, it becomes lethal, it becomes poisonous. Now, ethanol is used in medicines such as tincture iodine, cough syrups and many tonics. Now, dyes and methanol are added to ethanol to prevent oral consumption, so that people do not consume ethanol. Some dyes are added, color is added to it. As I told you, it is colorless. Some dyes or colors are added, and then methanol is also added, which makes it lethal. If I talk about chemical properties, two most important chemical properties of ethanol are reaction with sodium. In our book, it is written 2Na plus 2CH3CH2OH gives 2CH3CH2ONA plus H2. Now this thing, I can write like this, 2Na, 1, 2, 2CH3CH2OH, CH3CH2OH and another CH3CH2OH. Now what I am going to do, I have to remove one hydrogen. From here, I have to remove hydrogen gas, that is H2. If I remove this H2, what happens? This thing breaks, this formula breaks, this ethanol breaks from here. And it gets negative charge on oxygen, and because it is negative now, it will attract towards the positive sodium. Sodium, we all know it is positive in nature. It attracts sodium towards it. So that means sodium replaces this hydrogen and we get CH3CH2ONA from this formula and CH3CH2ONA from this formula. So we get 2 CH3CH2ONA. Now how to name it? Name of this compound, because it is organic compound, always first we will name the metal. So the name becomes sodium. See, sodium, eth, because it has come from ethanol, eth, sodium, eth oxide. So the name is sodium eth oxide. Understood how to write the name? Sodium first, metals first, then the parent carbon chain and then oxide, sodium eth oxide, and H2 is released, which we are getting from here. If I talk about the second equation, which is also called as dehydration equation, because it helps in removal of water molecule, or we can say it as conversion of ethanol to ethene, or we can simply say equation of ethanol for removal of water molecule. How is it happening? We can write ethanol like this. See, CH3 CH2OH, CH3 CH2OH. Now this bond and this bond I have written in form of electrons. We all know one bond comprises of two electrons. So this electron is of this hydrogen, this electron is of this OH. This cross and this cross is for each this carbon atom. Now if I react this, or if I heat this in presence of hot, concentrated and excess, three conditions are required: excess, hot, concentrated, H2SO4. If I heat this ethanol with excess, hot, concentrated H2SO4, at what temperature? Very important, 443 Kelvin. What will happen? This water molecule will be removed. If water molecule is removed, this bond electron and this electron are free now. अपने ही इलेक्ट्रॉन लेकर जाएंगे ना, ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका, ये जुड़ गए, एक बॉन्ड बना लिया. तो ये कार्बन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन बच गया, ये कार्बन का एक इलेक्ट्रॉन बन गया. वो दोनों इलेक्ट्रॉन इन्होंने यहाँ पे एक डबल बॉन्ड के फॉर्म में यूज कर लिए. अंडरस्टूड? सो C C C C H H and this two electrons, two free electrons, they made one bond. Now because there is a double bond, it is ene, and because there are two carbon, it becomes ethene. So it is conversion of ethanol to ethene और dehydration of ethanol. ethanol में से एक water molecule हटा दिया, dehydrate कर दिया, removal of water molecule. So this is the equation for dehydration or conversion of ethanol to ethene or removal of water molecule. Two properties, chemical properties of ethanol are there in 10th standard portion, which I have completed. So with this I close my class. Next class I will be taking on chemical properties of acetic acid, and then specially I will be taking esterification and saponification, separate videos. Till then, take care. Have a safe life.